Welcome. In this short tutorial, we write a small safe C# program that multiplies corresponding elements of two integer arrays. This exercise practices array traversal, index safety checks, and formatted console output. All essential basics for array manipulation in C#. I show a clean implementation that validates the arrays that are the same length. I'll also explain the logic step by step and prints the result in a friendly format. Let's jump in. This task is straightforward. For each index, multiply the two elements and show the result. This The important detail is to handle mismatched lengths gracefully. Either stop at the shorter length or notify the user. We show the safe approach. Check lengths first and only proceed when they match. The code prints both arrays using string join, validates that their lengths match, and then iterates with a for loop. We print each product separated by a space and finish with a new line for tidy output. The length check prevents runtime index errors and provides a friendly user with a user-friendly error message if arrays differ. We first display the arrays so the user can verify inputs. This equality check is crucial. It avoids out-of-range errors. This single loop runs in big O n time, where n is the array length, computing each product with a single multiplication and printing it. This pattern is efficient and clear. Walking the Walking the table shows how each element pair maps to the product. Note, a negative times a negative becomes a positive, and a positive times a negative becomes a negative. This visual check helps when debugging or explaining results to learners. Multiplying arrays element-wise is a common primitive in many domains. Vector math, DSP, where we multiply samples by gains, image processing, per pixel blending, and any case where two aligned datasets need pairwise combinations. In high-performance scenarios, you use vectorized libraries such as SIMD or array libraries for learning and small scripts. This straightforward approach is fine. To wrap up, the minimum safe solution checks array lengths and then multiplies in a loop, perfect for teaching and small utilities. If you want a reusable function, return an int of products instead of printing, or use zip from LINQ for a concise expression. Try modifying the code to accept user input or command line arguments for dynamic range and arrays. Great job! Keep experimenting with element-wise array operations. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.